Hello guys, and welcome to the White Rabbit Trading Channel. Before we begin, please take a moment to read the disclaimer below. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and everything here is for educational purposes only. And if you find this analysis helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications. Your support helps me create more content like this. It's not hard for you, but it's pleasant for me. Alright, let's dive in. This will be a small update on the current price action, and we will see where the monthly close is tomorrow. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin is slowly approaching the weekend, and we are also within the range timing window for the potential highs that have formed in this range. Previously, I mentioned that if Monday marked the low, then based on range timing, we should not see a new low. Instead, if price continues to hold its structure, we are either looking for an upward move or a ranging market. Right now, this is exactly what we are seeing. No new lows have formed, structure remains intact, and price is holding within the range. Now, with only a few days left until the weekly and monthly close, it's essential to assess the new levels we'll be watching going into the next trading sessions. But before that, let's take a look at the local structure and what it tells us about the next potential moves. Previously, we were looking for a move up into the next level of interest, which was successfully reached yesterday. However, the market left behind a slightly weak high, where I was expecting either a new high to be formed or I would miss out on the opportunity if price started dropping from that point. Later, we got another push up, followed by a reaction from that level. The initial target was the lows around the point of control, but since a few factors have changed, I will now look to secure more profits if price moves down to the 4-hour order block. For hourly structure and possible scenarios. On the 4-hour time frame, we can now observe a bullish structure break, and price is currently trading within the 4-hour range. Given this context, I will be looking for a potential higher low to form if price retraces into a point of interest within the discount zone. Alternatively, I will wait for a local structure shift, which would provide a clear invalidation point for the trade setup. The invalidation is placed below this level, but keep in mind that an SFP is always possible. If the higher low setup holds, the range highs remain the target. However, if the trade fails, I will stick to my existing short position from higher up and let it run. Alternative scenario, continuation without a pullback. Now, let's consider the alternative case. What if price doesn't retrace into our key levels and instead continues to move up directly from here? In that case, I already have a higher target level where we could see a reaction in the coming days. I will keep this in mind, using range timing as confluence to evaluate potential trade opportunities. As the upward move progresses, I will also watch for local levels that could trigger a reaction. Since we have already seen a 1-hour structure break, this level could now act as a local lower high, potentially leading to a continuation to the downside. If this setup unfolds, I will look for low time frame structure confirmations before getting involved in any trade. That's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll keep you updated as the market develops. Until then, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.